Hi there. Want to make your food budget go further with your community supported agriculture or CSA? Let me show you how easy it is with Double Up Food Bucks Iowa. First, sign up for your CSA share during your local CSA enrollment period. Use your SNAP EBT card to pay for your CSA share and sign up for Double Up Food Bucks at the same time. You can earn up to $60 each month when you use your SNAP EBT to pay for your weekly share boxes. Here's how it works. At pickup, use Double Up Food Bucks to pay for your next week's box. It's that simple. Eat more fruits and veggies, support local farmers, and double your dollars. Ready to start? Visit doubleupiowa.org to find our participating locations today.